Ebusa for high GC news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahadi latest hot nkwa era me bremo. Enuti so nya subscribe to channel idea bomodia say obe subscribe. Gabby add say obe click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification, no. We sa video for be upload no. When the first person what's ebeka sa video. Afi we are na like video no, give us a thumbs up na afi. Share my or for so that when you be here now and some do na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memoanum afi tentemo imbura ye semwa abeto yepuno so mumayiti sa report ya ababetu mumayiti asemi
so man ye careful one can send to me handle power na yen get the chair won NDC did not win any election in this country. We the people of this country offered them power as a gift on a silver platter. They didn't work for it, which they know. We gave them power, say. And near maybe a koswa, any aman young ko. And so me see no my. They did carry katakata. Any akakabinsem.
Jaya
Hantain, Sikeria, Sikedie, and Koladie. And you catch on some mumbra no meswa no my. Oh yes. Excavators. Yati excavator our galamsey site. Yasi and she be and she know yabeshi and she okay tintin tetia. They the acheche yanshi. Excavator exit. Your friend say low bed so from Takrade or Bankrai. Low bed ni do anumabua. Driver say me John Saba. Once the first way dey say oh, yes you John Saba. We run what John Saba do ya. Low bed ni si ho, excavator no ensi low bed ne so.
O ko John so kwa ye dey.
And it became just a topic. Now we see Kennedy Agyapong. Now we see Kennedy Agyapong. Now we Kennedy Agyapong. Now Professor Frimpong Boateng, Papa will lay down in life. The time he became a heart surgeon, now the sort, now you need be Africa, Ghana had be near such a man. I didn't say I saw your president obedience. Let's malign, disgrace him, and reduce him to nothing. Ebedu yano excavators maku 402. Ni nyina ye see baby na ayira. All of a sudden, Ghana has turned into a country of laws. Wow. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, my final comment as a panel member. You have our support. When I say you have our, I mean the people of this country, not me, not Unia. You have our support. If there are witches, please, let's hunt them.
Because I'm your crown. NDC power ya omo wini omo gusu a omo esisi omo wa power ye mu bi ya ka ho e na power ne bae because wo hwe your friend say movement for change alan de bae a me ho na me wo e na movement for change no Ghana ni bia ni descending Ghanaian ni bia be mu say na starting of something ye build your base ye fi party women ya kwa party it is a party into movement winning power no ebeyedin but na ye ultimate motive ne say abamboni at that particular period na e was no enko na aban papa enye den embra it is aban fufra aba aban na Ghana for obi eninda yakeka nsem aguo mo so mo opposition na say Ghana for ehu say no we no ma ye de o mo opposition o mo mpo na eboa ye na se yato am na so mo asan aba NDC no mo be ye bia ye no mo wo bika Ghana for hwe omo say enkoyi a movement for change we have the right say ye beka bi and I say koyi nso so a we have the right to say ye beka bi and then American say NDC omo ma omo ani nyadem omo bi omo ani say aboa wowo because ya papa for jo asemi a ye cost MPP aye bi do ye playback book bi no mo ye during 2016 time na Mahama your friends Mahama na was omo pre power meboa edi ensem na omo ankan femgu Mahama so wakosi dan wo Dubai wa airbus nsem omo kan nyina
me kra me ka
ukika bi meboa enso se omo na omo starting na unso ugigi na mu
anambwa je no na
or government official wa
we are government now your presidential staffer now your presidential staffer na say omo kan ya metoga na fo tirim
kasa mo kan ya na ka hwe
captain ka ho say say wo se wo ka ho omo kan ya metoga na fo tirim media ni somu ema ebeye no kore no ema ebeye something stigma ewo NDC ho ne Mahama ho iti ye ko abato no ye tuti ya omo and this is the same time no NPP na wo opposition no and right now they are in opposition it is that no mu use na bring omo back to power no enu bi no master
enu ni yes I'm George just a sitting member of parliament na bibia si na MP akoho okuta tag
na say no madina MP so e
kwamna ni fika mu abebo na so no bi so fi akire ababe just look at this just look at this look at this embarrassment na hwe police ni be patawo na ba ko so kokko wi no sum
odwane
na sabdo to one minister of state
enu na me ka say enu na say NDC for we are very, very vigilant because there are so many traps. NDC, MPP, almost mom, who's MPP for no? My almost a book long. Ye name de, ye lawyers, or ye way. They are traps to be a. My set your mom, say NDC are not careful. MPP for the big woman, because they my be the hair at the question make us. Who's there? Afenyo Markin, so your video 19 for your casa, you know. I say, what is wrong with you? What's why you don't do? No, check there. Say, fancy you get the wash why you na. You too full be wa back door waiting. Ya the wash your kukuemu. A plan ya there no. Ya calculate your amount. Ye ni say, ye ni say. But when you come to the public view, you do otherwise. It is a weird video na Andrea. Ya kaya kwachina mwenyanchi na. Eating for your casa now. I said, what is wrong with you? What's what? Oh, yes, when you crack or best one, I should know actually. It's mesre MDC. Mama winning now because tracks in that a wahono. This is just the beginning, no. They have a long way to go. I don't know, make can't be. This drug issue, any galam say no, on my center for. There are two main things, sir. So when taking a government in power. So when take it the opposition party, ebe you should go and ma say poto. And they've started. They've started it. It's NDC power no anya mo nko amode ye nyina ye dia. Ghana for dia. Say koyi a yetim. San koyi so a yetim. Mahama airbus issue see. So my client say it wasn't true. Dubai is and some your friend say Wakoto hotel with Dubai Wakoto that hotel but up to now so mobile provide evidence we don't know but until for your a certain member evidence in ho but some kind wo kasa wo can be so who said that is no mass starting because MPP are starting to say there are other media stations say MPP owned and omube so ombe be truth. And there is something we say, the more and tron yakano, the more than no cray. It is so, and this is when to me and sorry and jina, not so one man mbra, and yet man. It will go against them. About to the layman Ghanaian, it's never mammy or Tigomono, or no one news in Yadio, Nyanko cannot be. It is our Kumasi, yes, a Kumasi Ashin no more politics. It's a young fuano. Your omure say MPP anye bibia mo mu odwomo nya ya me ya say overhead the crew wodwom ko NDC na ye but because of politics say MPP for omo ye omade ani nti no omode na omo anye sebi obi oboa omo mo nya power mo amosoma no so onkoto dynamite non block border wo your friend say to go vote line no so mo che no Hopeson Adorye so mo che no
oh one is mano
na you one is according to Hopeson Adorye o see enye nsem nyina na obetumi aka what you say enye nsem so kasa o kasa adabi ayo kasa MPP man kan you o se wan kan hwe so there are lots there nsem bebe wo ho na nipa no masoma no na wakoye victory aba because we free party ni mo yen wan free mo mpo man na mo man letter say o ma suspending no se mo yin na free party ni because only munti no makochi no menne asem ne da so wo court a otwa ho kwan da bia eno na ache ntim for just say a time will come say BBC on beyi na ma a time will come na o ka say adechi na say ntim for jo nye your friend say MP and I say oni position bia wo party no mu na party no wo power na no akoyi ne ka na waka say ono ani party o mo nche no o meche no say MPP na wo so and na this issue aba and 19 for jo ebia oya party supporter and wako kasa asem we ya enko beche no enka MPP for na beche no omo da ye Hopeson Adorye and na omo fa bi entumi nye nti ya papa 19 for jo so ye very careful because MPP for no come ho a che say wo nimu bia wo mo mutumi bi a mutumi riding on tumi a and MPP always behave like as a Ghana to me no eye bet right bi ma omo their rightful own say omo na say omo dia enya kodi baby pe na che asama ba enya kodi baby pe na omo say rebels na omo anfa nya sasu. I was reading an article Madina MP yes asare dem exactly nyame fie ho kra mokoye na 18 for just for evidence bra evidence keke we dey fako na ho so and when him captain sometimes no enye nsem nyina na ye de to abontin we ye lawmaker we ye MP we de nipa doma no during campaign there are a lot of things MPP mpenyin for why you better no. They call you as a communicator. They reveal certain things to you. Omoka, no movie omaka chia will say it's for your ears only. Na so waka say ya tete sansem yi. And ye de kotna fidie so. And ye kan ya. And can be atete kwa o. Because in no more ma ye ne nsem e wo ho ne nsem a ye mu bi ye nim a mpenyimfo na bia ka kire ye no. Enti asem bi wo ho a as a lawmaker no. What the was etia that doesn't mean say yes one no koka who privileges bebre e dey na president will say you work to the president
that what me
you book appointment with the president one na kokasa dancer with the barber to abonti what they are to abonti provide evidence wa eno so chinchin atwan ayeka
eno dey captain memra ho na me dey
okay
we are now so host me
na just a captain so twitwa ntro ni bia fine
oh but you see there's one thing people don't know. Yeah, well, obia our integrity to protect.
Yeah.
Captain who say
me could buy na be capture say nyano.
Asema ko ka na nyano kre no.
Okay.
Oba ha no muso kuta bo santa na mokuma so the Mahama bo the brain.
Oh, okay.
Ma menchia with
Esa so pada cho.
Ma menchia wo na.
Wo the
T4.
We are na. Na obi anu host me.
Menchia Ghana for ehwe mafidi kasi na one san so ekimo radio no so eka ho
they are all representing party man
na minchia Ghana mampeni dada
yo
John Ajekum kufo
okay that is your MPP
na
repentance party
Ghana mampeni ote akunwa so John Dramani Mahama na minchia na Nebukadnezar
your Bible ni munana
ne Ghana fo ina
oh kumasa nka be chopem so
me da asimi ni openi so amam sa kwanya ise men so men ka asemi bi de dikan am pesa me kan se yebu oman yembu nipa na yembu political party so you see at a certain point in the life of every man, you can be called Billy and become a billionaire, but you can end up a Billy goat.
You bet me after Billy.
You can be a Billy, called Billy, and become a billionaire, but you end up a Billy goat.
Aponchini.
That's right.
Yeah.
They are boa papu. Let's say nya mfasubi and mouse. Say yo o my Ghana no. Sana de na kwa koye te say ase obi a odi billion or ye billionaire Nana Brabo ended up as a Billy Goat. Sana NDC for AISSA. So man, you're careful. One can send to me handle power na get the chair one. NDC did not win any election in this country. Yeah. We, the people of this country, offered them power as a gift on a silver platter.
Yeah.
They didn't work for it, which they know. We gave them power, say. And near maybe a koswa, any a man young co. And to me see no my. Yeah. The edika katakata. Any a kakabinsem.
Jaya
Hantain, Sikeria, Sikedie, and Koladie. And the catch on some mumbra no meswa no my.
Nkwaladi.
Oh, yes. But I'm kind. So nobody says, I'm in your house in your parliament.
Nkwaladi, Captain, Nkwaladi Bay.
Omuye and Noah. Adi Edema Omubium say. O mina say I'm a Jubilee House, Kura, na book at this atino. Na Sabe. A Janai baby, I want flash toilet to Kugunu Kurano. A yeka, my contractor, Cotrain, Eja tank, and see ho, say in Trianica, oh movie, Carning Court, na Jubilee House, a mom.
Seat of government, no.
Now, per se, you see a no one on my
Uncle Yabra White House.
A do baby, no, not clean and now, or cleaning. Nikuno, quiet, more national lotteries. A do baby, near Trianica. Into which I want to go near cleaning Jubilee House. And no, and I per se, NDC bed to me, no, so no my head. The trust will be able to say, Yakob Bessian, dear, a bedru. But idea, baby, I did Bessian, Kwakoya, the chrono one. Besiane nkonko duru ho enti ade ne yentimi nyo enti esese wo meswa no ano mai na afi de hia titru ene Ghana fo wo kan yen gu dem e de kenten butu nipa de bi so ama Ghana fo no yete se akokwa a ye kunu bronya bre de di fufuo de kenten butu Ghana fo no bi so enti wo ya hwe ase hey wo sha kenten ase hwe wo sha kenten ase ebi ene Sam George Ebi ni abrante oye adwuma mu fie ha ya friend Captain Smart. Hwede omo ye. Na kwete say
Xavier Susu
ote asori dem. Ase won de wo ye nipa chain obi. Na de eye me wanwa kese ye me nua kuma na bi. No, Kabi.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, be Kabi. Said we are in a country of the laws. Ghana. And that you said Ghana emra.
Juma.
And a Juma. Wabra Serwaa Broni or your Bakura Keka president and then Akodawi.
Ex-presidents.
Nana donate Serwaa Broni a chimpana and not get ya did that's another presidential jetting. Asante that question hotel wo Kumasi. My guy here to try a president. Ni peace. You better drop it.
Captain Unhui.
Pictures never.
Hey man, we need peace no.
Actually peace. And they have a trouble thing.
Hey.
Abaya yi bedru Ghana omo tata na omo penekunu. And Ghana is a country of laws. Oh really? Really? Sam George, Shesutra padi yidi. Na shade a omode ye Sam George, a sitting member of parliament. Really? And Ghana, a country of laws.
Very sure.
Wow. Have you forgotten? City FM reporter.
Yeah.
Echo national security.
Yeah.
Who asked you to invite a journalist to your space? If you invite a carpenter to your space and he comes there with nails and hammer, and the carpenter finds a broken table or chair, what do you expect the carpenter to do? Repair it. So when you invite a broadcaster, when you invite a reporter, when you invite a journalist to come to your space, knowing very well the tools we use to work, so bano behunse bibia a state assets, say apro obi amfa ho a the only responsibility of the reporter is to take videos or pictures of that state asset. What happened to him? He was beaten mercilessly by the national security operatives.
Yes.
Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. 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 Hey. Edu baby. Which everybody is aware. Now kasa na usu.
Culture of silence.
Yes. Presenters say what Ghana ha nyina no bi aye ma. And I come my brand back when my friend Captain Smarty. Ono pe na car no. Ono so aye ni o makoche no. Aye ni no o makoche no. Aye ni no o makoche no. Aye ni no o makoche no. Sad mre no. Na Ghana nye country of laws. Hwese kokram amfere se obesi ohwene so a. John Dramani Mahama eni kwansa wo fere se odi asawa etare so. Hwe John Mahama mambu na obu sese no ye fre no se ye hwe. Ye hwe o. If say niema na course na ye mpe no hwe invisible forces Kandahar Russians the Himbium Boga Bulldogs, name them. Name them. These were some of the guys, they were employed and deployed by the then administration to unleash what I call political terrorism on innocent Ghanaians. We sat in this country. You shall somebody ding and you jan satra oh and meanwhile, we had a chairman of the Council of State, no frantama or your hene. That time near Council of State, chairman, no your hene.
Yeah.
And did your council and I've been Mamma Pejam. No, your Council of State, chairman. Shadia Ahemfo, FMU, Ewo Krumha. We had a chairman of the Council of State, or your hene. The question is, Sanka Sabia Brusabia Nyado, may Kansam, said Rabbi Hinin at Tijoma. Nanka Akufo Addo do one or catch and so on, sorry, answer what Chiana, and Kobe Soriana. Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. The president was ordering chiefs and paramount chiefs about. To a certain level, very disheartening. Say, the bodyguards of the president also had that audacity to also order chiefs. Someone sorry now one channel. Today, really, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. Fair no to change. Yet your memory na dey be wa ye hu bi da say. President Ebusuafo etimi rubbish parliament. Proper procedures are.
Yeah.
Your family sign contracts. Your rubbish. Now you timi assign contract to say ye bedwiri. Your friend is saying trade fair egu fam. Wabra parliament anka ho hwe yesi akwaje besia parliament an anim ho hwe na yedwiri ade ne wie na be yasem a yesi alanchamaten onko authenticate sa contract no alan say properly Ghana is a country of laws.
Yeah.
How can you go and sign such a contract behind me as a cabinet minister and then you expect me now to authenticate it? Who will face the fire of Ghanaians? They went ahead and pulled down trade fair. Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. I am talking as if I'm writing a poem. Yet to claim na yenim sa Ghana a country of laws. Then an MPP member, my own uncle Sir John, took advantage of the meekness of the people of this country. What did he do? Otwitwa aban saase. E wele man ho. E de bi man nebusuafo. And nobody said zilch in this country. Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. 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 We lived in this country. Jesus Abrante, then okay. Or a software, then okay.
Yeah.
Najegezi, omuhunu na Najegezi amedu baby no. Me am nua Najegezi. Na otu nika na Mercedes Benz bi. When you crowd register, no so be register. Cause why be chin kwam.
Asina sorry no crowd go yo.
Yet Jesus Abrante tum. So why dey? At the end, Jesus Ahofe. Thank you. After the entire process, they realized that Omayem from so. Did anybody from the past administration enya kukudrompo eka sorry to Jesus Ahofe? Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. Omayi we ne yatim Kumasi. MPP guys jumped the fence wall, the metal gate of the regional coordinating council, entered a high area, security area to say regional security council. Equatorial regional security coordinator.
For the second floor.
I didn't see from to sa kwada ketwa. Watch this. Obesi from you no. Then see party na no tree. They arrested some of these guys. And I was doing a court. Watch this again. The same new patriotic party. Emma Boyce Ebura Quarter, a sitting judge at Tiho Ediasem.
No, your bar.
Oba Odiasemo. And yes, I was sorry court rise. The sitting judge. The judge was right in court. Odiasem.
No sound so crying.
These guys entered a court of a pregnant judge. Bulldoze their way through, set these guys free. Yanyo biashe ewo kromha. Ene Ghana a country of laws. Wow. Wow. Really? Since when na Ghana be a country of laws? Country of laws. Ah, yetikroim. Wobeti an say yakobo tuo ha pay beti an say yabewura ha yetwetwa we sikan hey
yakoto aba makofo nwotwe kurawu
yeti omayima 2020 yeto aba yeah enipa 8 Peter, if you look at memanya McCain reports nibi, but some of it national security niema no etwada na oat nibi o wa wo swear ibi wo so a wontu fa niema bi mabonten. If you read that report and how the plan was executed to kill those guys, it will marvel you. Yet to aba na nipa atwituo abo nipa baako pay etuo pay 2 pay 3 pay 5 pay 7 pay 8 ekum nipa nwotwe because of just one constituency elections.
Yeah.
And you're gonna, you know, just one constituency say elections. Yanchiobia, Yanyobia she, Yembisobia Bibia. Today, Ghana is a country of laws. Wow. 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 We lived in this country. And a minister of health, Miami of Kweku Annan, went to me see hospital back, but the minister we no could see private hospital.
An ultra-modern hospital.
On a health minister, ye busa Kweku Annan or say any power the contract the Kuramano Alatanina or COVID-19 Sikawa Kojo International Airport no or no ye minister Mpono Onimuno. where who document biya. Only nipa oni abranche and sign contract. So whatever that was happening at the Kotoka International Airport, which COVID-19 was under the direct supervision of the Ministry of Health, led by Kweku Annan, the minister was sidelined, thrown out of joint, mamooned and mushroomed, and not an iota of information was served on his table. I want an office about COVID-19. What we got to know was that several millions of dollars were accrued out of that service.
PDS.
And then, Yaja Alatade Noma, Obetibia Benya Kukudro, our main, on what to pick up the siren, a training in crop war, they have the effrontery, the guts, to have a fist off with the Ghana Armed Forces, the Ghana Police, the National Security, and all. Today, these same guys are coming out telling us what? Ghana is a country of laws. Wow.
PDS.
Yet was one day. You say ECG. Maybe omujiji wo musika no. ECG phone intimi njiji sika. Since when? ECG obetimi aji o. Ontimi nji o. Ye share electricity company of Ghana se Kwame Nkrumah the electricity of Ghana, electricity corporation. Eba Ghana. Wọ́n na ajiji sika na besin ne. Akohwefo tete mu no na ECG bu. Na wọ́n ba ya wọ́n se wọ́n ba jiji sika de se wọ́n mpa gomu atachima he. Cause gomu atachima de kwaku bicha minister no wetua light bill. Wọ́n mpa ya amforo, wọ́n mpa gomu ataka, wọ́n mpa gomu ogwa. Wọ́n mpa atiave. Wọ́n mpa pechi number 1. Na pechi number 2 na kura ni ho na 1. Wọ́n no wọ́n pass a man kase, wọ́n pass ankregwa, wọ́n pa babia, wọ́n wo some 15 areas a hono wọ́n pass wọ́n gigi ECG ska. Number 1, Greater Accra, Central Business District, Achimota, Cantonments,
very
East
romantic
Lagos.
areas.
Very romantic, financial romantic spaces no. A hono wọ́n pa. From there, Tema, Takoradi, Cape Coast, all the regional capitals. Peter, till today, Sikana PDS for JJ Yenibesi ne Ghana by Nimbe fire Sikana Yira. Meanwhile, a home minister of state, the finance minister, the energy minister, and all of them sat down and entered into an agreement on behalf of the people of this country.
Galamsey drones.
Today, yes, say Ghana is a country of laws. Wow! Wow! In a country where excavators were arrested. Excavators. Yachi excavator our Galamsey site. Yasi she bibi and she no yabashi and she okay tintin the achiche yanshi. Excavator exit your friend say low bed so from Takoradi or Bankran. Low bed need do anumaboa. Driver say me John Saba. Post force we dey chere say oh yes we are John Saba. We run ho John Saba do ya. Low bed ni si ho excavator no ensi low bed ne so.
O ko John so kwa ye dey.
And it became just a topic. Now we see Kennedy Agyapong. Now we see Kennedy Agyapong. Now we Kennedy Agyapong. Now Professor Frimpong Boateng, Papa will lay down in life. The time he became a heart surgeon. Now the sort. Now you need be Africa. Ghana hane be niha. Such a man. I didn't say I saw your president obedience. Let's malign, disgrace him, and reduce him to nothing. Ebedu yeno excavators maku 402. Ni nyina yesi esisi baby na ayira. All of a sudden, Ghana has turned into a state, a country of laws. Wow. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, my final comment as a panel member. You have our support. When I say you have our, I mean the people of this country, not me, not Unia. You have our support. If there are witches, please, let's hunt them.
Simple.
If there are witches, Your Excellency, let's hunt them.
That's it. Oba.
Me trust baby me papa ndi. Say, what can send bebre? No kan yen nyina so those days no esisi. Esi ya to the extent that Ghana for cry to MPP for the clearing agents. Because esi ya yen result papa bia omo investigating nya hwe ne ya clear no. Inti ya no na mbra ne nya adwuma. Share special prosecutor during MPP abreso. Omudi ni oye white elephant. Emma it came to a time onu kra beka say waya nkonam. Osan beka say a time will come a criminal benantia courtroom akọ defending who no was saying nkoni.
Sure.
I don't know cancer because na enu maybe also under MPP government na entwe ye na emra ni nya adwuma. Let me put it that way. Na embra nya adwuma. Because special prosecutor said ono yembra nim for. It is ono ba bonti be make the statement under your own government, MPP government. It means nothing was working. Na mbre bie no wa ye adwuma. Na enu ena me gina so aka say sa no man kitin we. Ene nyam papa captain abuboshi. Eno na Ghana for ehu ye esua ye hu say ye timamufo. Na wenyina akoso sika sika twitwi dia yira ya mame Cecilia dapaah sika kwa yira woni dem nti ne monthly salary nko nya wa he eno kra no ho asem kra no ye hu ne ekosi ye galanse mu nsensam any ade chat bisiu issues eba ya na se deba ni nyina ye hu ne ekosi ye omo clear ni nyina fefefe na se enne na se Ghana fo yakwada adwen na se yasesan yensa no na yesi o mampanyi Mahama bra na sa no man kitinkiti ye course yi be hwehwe maye because I don't want to accept to say sa no man kitinkiti na course no is over. It's not over. Bebre wo why ye betumi o man ya ban fofo ya wa baso wo betumi investigate into wo betumi agi ye sika ma ye be ya mfasode ama o man Ghana ankasa enti yesre MDC asa mo dama me asa omo dama me asa omo ye slow bi minim say if they are practicing pure politics whereby omo ba bonten a omo be kasa ba ye kokuku emu a ye ni opposition fo ni didibom ye ni omo ya adwen ba I don't want to believe that. It is hard time yes say omo sorry na omo you no omo yes and na me can be wo galamse hu especially because when they were coming omo the manifesto ti abonten. And those manifestos no e cover and normal katase share rot any dreamer e koso previous government no e cover so omo manifesto even on galamse issues no e cover kwan omo ba omo be fa so a ye galamse no e ho be ye adwuma bi a I don't know the word to say be attractive no ye be fa kwan paso to gold no na gold na ye mfaso de amaye because geology try say gold na Ghana ye wo no aye se denchem wasase na se ni dua kra no ye ndi nwieye na emu no so ye den ya Ghana fo na ese yetu na ye mfaso de ama o man Ghana no asuhwe galamse nsensama ye koso drone na MPP 40 sika ekoto ye to inspect galamse activities any illegal activities ye koso no omu hu baby a drone afa ube kom kra no na sika ye ti di koto drone sika ne kra ye difa and minister si bisawe Gina Ponsu si bisa frempoma just say we si bisa MPP what are you doing ayese mu probo omu nyina mu hwehwem sa no ma we nyina mu hwehwem na Ghana fo hu se abato na ye so lai koto ye no enfasudie bi ba hu na Ghana fo hu se mu na ye you came say mu be save Ghana for every MPP for because MPP for no apart from no mun fam running nya adwuma no now they were even killing people emotionally talking with bank so mu gugu no kofu adwuma mu gugu no they were killing them psychologically emotionally they killed people that one is not physical killing no yes what you say it there are so many things Ghana for are looking up to NDC to wake up to listen to their to wipe up Ghanaian tears because Obisu papa we Nancy Anno ye na yi.
Come on.
Come on.
Yeah.
Me see an interview be. Hey, I didn't shame me to my bones. Me say, hey, I say do baby. No, I think that they were launching a book. And I say so we see ka ko beto book ni bi achiche. But o me go ni ndwuma nyina. Why? How? Adam boni be no ye. Na me ye me yampo ni say pa kwesi ndum de. Hwe banks otete ya odi man kofu ndwuma. Enti MPP for no enye mrankwa na omanfa nya adwumo. They killed people softly and emotionally. Enu na ma party no bebre efri mu no. Ema ya papa Agyarko beka say December 7th na mgbe hu omo eja party no omo akomam. Enti sa tactics no omo start lying tactics now. They thought it worked for them during 2016 now. Since you omo start no. And here omo nkasa na ha omo. Because looking at so-called mighty minority no omo fra omo ho no. Ahwe be reduce so better.
Okay.
So better. Manpenyi Mahama, me say sorry. Ma homre so because in Fidia yesunsuma ma we don so papa. Look at this cocaine saga ya ekwe ya papa say wako hu we on provide evidence on provide. 2020 ya ye colonial masters UK for. So mo rank here as global transit for cocaine eni ndondro. Ya ye colonial masters UK for. Mo rank here
MPP what power no.
Yeah, tanchi cocaine.
Yeah, tanchi cocaine.
Cocaine tongue kosoro Ghana. And so yenche won.
Yeah, omo ranking here. The colonial masters say cocaine na higher transit.
What is it cocaine da?
No, yanti pose plane because basic kotoka say a load of cocaine na twem akọ. We never heard of anything like that. But you're ranking here globally, not even Africa. They globally. It's all my penny Mahama, Mr. Tie Ghana for yen ye do besi akonya so. Tie na fight corruption, na fight sa normal na ekoso na eni ntwe ye no.
Honorable Reverend Intim Fojo. Na odi minister be.
No, a deputy minister of education.
Why na beka chen say free senior high school enrollment here 5.1 million. Eh why na kan?
Odwa.
Osenkantro.
Na yampa na se no boa.
Na entro.
Okay. Enti edutuma na oye substantive education minister no be here dey.
Ono so twantro.
Such a person preacher was so dem say utie.
So is their style? Is their style of winning power? Is their style of
such a person preacher was so dem say utie.
Enti I don't know ko no abaka just 7 minutes na yes so djuma dey so. Omo host o but omo to be host me. Ya pa.
Na me person come dey asem tutu e bi twem. Okan education asem na Ato mitrim. On say double track no. NDC kasa oba enko mu betwem. But as Cecilia no ya papa education minister Haruna also betwem 2027. And menhu issues with social media
no press
that is what it's on social media. That say omobe and the double track in 2027.
Okay.
But Ghanaians are expressing the view say enya sa na kan mo ka say immediately to the extent that yes omo ya papa Mahama speech on double track no ho. But mami fa PC so na men kan asam kakra to Ghana photo. There are a whole lot of mess in education sector. The previous government,
there are 52,000 ghost names
mess
in the education sector.
And before
men make 52,000 ghost names.
What you say?
And the what education sector 52,000 ghost names in right? Almost every district. Not less than 500 and for a child in district name. Typical example, Gomwa West district. Gomwa East.
Anyway.
Even Greater Accra.
Yeah.
Names are on payrolls, government pay them every month. But these guys, some of them are sitting in Abuja. Obi o what was a vacancy but only do be din akwa akosha ho. Nti wo ba na ye ne wache. Obi also a wachira de awie waji visa
Captain makofa me topic about waje
na
waje kan
me time so
me minimum sa but nyame ka captain asoma no mesre Ghana for ni social media for amode minister anasa ya papa Mahama Anno esi bone no munya botre because education sector no wo ho a na hunye wo ho sa double track ya ye nkwala omu ji omu gumu no I can bet you say up to now e krom school to kra no nkwala ni bi gina ho enye sua de omu gina ho enkwala kra omu betina so no a problem so to correct and do all this mess no it will take some time so munya bote because education there enu na kra man no it education samo enkoye o man ne betoto it munya bote no mu nsiesie ansana ma jump into conclusions a wo kan enye bibia na ya papa Mahama obetumi aye nanimanim ntentem ya because mess a education sector apart from ghost names captain Ekano yentumi mbubo ni nyina so ebi ye sad ada na me ba na mu yi school block yi block bi kra ye de chako ehwo ne ye de chako gu
ye kasapen ehwo na no ye wo kwemu ha no mu say education director bi ekobum kra fa so okomo mu school okomo mba bi o betumi a kira de oji obi 10,000 Ghana cedis o mo jeje 10,000 o ka sa girls mo say if you body ne say if you for
no metro wasi ana
dabi omo wie school
ba omudi kopie
then
omudi kopie national service omudi ni sa kopie upper west
omo bu omo fa so
na yaje obi je omu sika
enti munya botre
all right enti na me na wase na me na captain so wase na me shamo ya mbo next week Thursday be sa so afra mama ba na yes
me hwe se kwan wo me ho a
aha ebu dia what's bet me about me show
yo jafo we ni and someone about beto ye so me ka say so wonya subscribe to channel area bomodi say obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share my wo for so na wenye bi hwe na wo and someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mo ha also betimi otchere wadwen afa ye nsem we nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu mobati minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.